Hi, Timothy Unger here. In this video, I'm going to create what I call paint splatter art in Python. So basically, I'm going to create a random image of either an empty space or an asterisk uh, for characters for a square type image. So based on the number we enter into a function. Anyways, let's get started. So I'm going to import the random module because I'm going to need that. And now I'm going to create a function. So I'm going to say def, and then let's call it paint underscore splatter underscore art. And we're going to take in a number and then a list. I'll call it image list. And I'm going to then go through basically the rows. So I'm going to say for row in, and we'll do a range from 0 to number. And then when we're in there, we're going to go through, once we're in the row, we're going to go through each of the columns. So I'm going to say for column in range also from 0 to number. And I'm going to create a character, which is actually going to be an integer. We're going to generate it from the random module. We're going to do random.randint, either 0 or 1, basically. Okay, so we're going to generate the image basically with zeros or ones. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a truthy here. So we're going to say if character. So, whoops. So basically if, let me get this out of the way. If character means that if character equals 1, because 1 is like a truthy value, what we're going to do is we're going to print an asterisk. So I'm going to print an asterisk, but I don't want it to jump to a new line. So I'm going to put a comma here and do end equals, and then just an empty character here. So that's if character, and else, so else is if it equals 0. I'm going to print just a space here. And again, we're going to end with the character like so, because we don't want a new line. Now, at the end of this larger for loop for the row, we do want to move down to a new line. So I'm simply going to just print just an empty character, and the default for the print is to create a new line. Okay, so that's our function there. And we can call our function. So I'm going to do paint splatter art, and I'm going to pass in a number. Let's do 4 to start, and I'm going to pass in an empty list here. And let's go over here and run the program. So I'm going to run it with Python 3 and then the name of the file. And you'll see we get a random kind of image here. Now we can make this larger by simply changing the number. So if I change the number to 20 and save it, I can then rerun the program, and you'll see I get this larger random image. So I thought this would be a little fun program to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you please give it a like and consider subscribing, as it really does help the channel grow. I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Have a great day.